In this video, we are going to review the Creality SparkX i7. We will go through the unboxing, setup, first prints, and our overall thoughts and experience about this printer and how it works. Now let's get into the unboxing. Right on top, you have the build plate. This is a 260 by 260 millimeter build plate. Under that, you have the manual, accessory box, and the spool holder. Taking off the top foam, you will see the CFS Lite unit. Now go ahead and remove the CFS Lite unit and put it to the side. Behind the printer is another piece of foam with a box inside. Inside that box is your PTFE tubing and the power cord. Then you have the printer itself. The printer is very light and easy to pull out of the box. Inside this box, you will have a few different items. The first thing you'll see on top is a sample of filament. Underneath that, you will have your connecting cable, some PTFE tube, some more PTF tubing, and your power cord. Here is just another quick look at that 260 by 260 millimeter build plate. For the CFS Lite, it's pretty simple, straightforward. You just take off the tape and the plastic protectant. For the tool head, you will want to remove the two zip ties and the cardboard that is surrounding the tool head. After that, you will completely remove the tape that surrounds the bed and the printer. On the back of the printer, there are two orange support brackets. You will want to unscrew the two screws that are on the inside, and they will just pop right off. Now you just flip the screen, peel off the protective film. Now let's get into all of the tubing. The PTFE tubes go from the CFS Lite to the tool head, or from the tool head to the CFS Lite. Next, you will take the 6-pin cable. You will plug one side in to the printer, and the other side will be plugged in to the CFS Lite. Then all you need to do is plug in the power cord, turn on the printer, and you're good to go. Next, you will want to let the printer run through its calibration. So sit back, relax, and wait for it to finish. Here, I'm showing you how to use a CFS Lite. You feed the filament through the small little hole, and then it automatically pulls it inside of the tubing. I am using the Creality app. I sliced the file in the app and wirelessly sent it to the printer. I had no troubles, and it started printing right away without any problems. Here is that test print. After it finished printing, it came off the build plate with no effort. Tolerances look good, no stringing, ridging held up, and overhangs look solid. Here is my first layer test. I tested the first layer in blue PLA. Came out clean and no issues at all. This is the 4-color print I did. This Flexi T-Rex came out super nice. The color changes look super clean, and the printer itself had no issues swapping colors at all. With so many things to brag on about this printer, I would like to just point out a few. The first one being the built-in filament cutter on the toolhead. I find this very useful. Next is how easy it is to swap the nozzles. Simply, you take off the cover, remove the sock, flip the clip up, and pull the nozzle out. And replacing it is just as simple. You put the nozzle back in, flip the clip down, replace the sock, and put your cover back on. It is that easy. Another thing I would like to brag on is the built-in HD Smart AI camera. This camera also has a built-in light for when you need to see your print at night. Here is a video I put in of the printer just making a benchy so you can see the camera quality. Overall, this is a great printer that we enjoy using in the office and could not recommend more. We want to give Creality a big thank you for sending us this printer to test out and review. I hope you enjoyed this video.